Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nokia G10. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones. Now you need to tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. After that, download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Following that, you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and finally allow. Then go into send over here and tap on receive on Nokia. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and just send in order to transfer all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only click on this one photo. Just send and click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Nokia, tap on while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into Files, click on, in my case, Images, and look for the Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!